It's already affected my kidneys. I'm already getting the neuropathy in my feet.
Denise Bruner was in her early 40s when she was first diagnosed with type 2 diabetes.
At first, it wasn't too bad.
It's been 8 years since that initial diagnosis.
It's also affecting my liver now. He said that I probably have chronic liver disease, at least. It could be more.
For Bruner, a manufacturing plant worker and longtime Kingsport resident, she's dealing with diseases which don't typically affect adults her age. And she's not the only one with type 2 diabetes.
As of 2012, by Burfus data, the rates were about 8.5% in the United States, but in Sullivan County, our rates were predicted to be around 12%.
That's more than 40% higher than the national average here in Sullivan County, living with a disease often
associated primarily with obesity.
The number of people in Tennessee as a whole who are obese is significant. The most recent data from the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation indicates nearly 1 in 3 adults living in our state is obese.
The factors that contribute to that are typically increased intake. You're eating more. That's one aspect. The other aspect is physical activity. And if over time you take in more than you burn off, you'll gain weight.
But why the concern?
It's important that people understand that obesity has multiple outcomes.
More than just type 2 diabetes, there's heart disease, an increased risk for cancer and premature death, to name a few. Dr. May adds that the implications of a region in poor health extend far beyond a clinical setting.
It does have an effect both on industry moving in, and it can affect people's ability to get a job.
Experts say it's a long and challenging road ahead. But if we don't do something about our health crisis soon, we could be setting the future generations up for a life of hardship, poor health, even incompetency in years to come.
Health contributes to the bottom line of industry, just as industry contributes to communities. So, it's a interrelationship.
In Kingsport, Anna Cuskin, ABC 19 News.